So this is another machine. I got it from a client, so it's not turning on. And, wanted to establish why did he or she decide to dispose it. So the machine, the first thing, it's not turning on. It's a hot point brand. You can see the model number is here. The capacity is 6 kg. So first I opened the motherboard. Clearly the board is burned. Yeah, so that is where the problem is. Then I think somebody tried to repair it. You can see even remains of the sold iron. So looking at it physically, he'll identify that the board is faulty. The second thing I noticed was the door lock wiring. It's not supposed to be that way. I think somebody tried to loop. And the drum. There's some noise coming out of it, so it means its bearings. Its bearings are not okay. The bearings are damaged. I think the motor is still intact. So I want to be repairing this one because I don't have another PCB. What I'll do, I'll sell parts. The belt is okay. The valves are okay. The inlet valves. Then is blocked. Motor, I think is okay. Just the sticker containing the model number. So that is it. Looking at it physically, you can know now the person decided to dump it because the motherboard was faulty, the bearings were noisy, and probably the door lock switch is damaged. So somebody tried to loop it. This one here. So that it's a quick look at it to identify why the person sold it. Most tests will do it later. So subscribe for more.